be the new year. Got my first order. We're going to Gravity Coffee. $15 going 5.5 miles. Doesn't look like it's open though, so that's a good sign. New Year's opens at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's great. Love a good tease in the morning. We just got an order for McDonald's. This is going to be $9 going 5 miles. Thank you. I don't think anything is actually open today, or at least not yet, but I finally got an order. This one's going to be a stacked Panera, $13 going 6 miles.
Here you go. The GoPro. That's cool. You can make a series of it almost.
Yeah.
Hello, YouTube series. This is Panera delivery and whatnot. Here's this. Here's the drink, and it does have a funny set of instructions on it.
He's on to us, guys. The delivery instructions are important. Please read. Go straight up the driveway. I'm not reading that. Next order up, we've got a McDonald's. This one's gonna be $10 going 4.5 miles.
Okay, this way. This is Bruce Buck. Good morning. Thank you, you too. Hey, go on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is most likely not even going to be a video. It's too slow. But I got the next order. This is going to be for Sally Beauty, $12 going just under 7 miles.
Hi there.
Hello. Just got to pick up for Denise.
Yeah, can I just see the screen? Perfect. There you go.
Thank you. Why do I feel like this is the wrong address? Very confused. Never mind. They just have a random apartment number for no reason. Finally got an order. This is for McDonald's. $9 going 4 miles.
Take it out the park.
Uber?
Yes, thank you.
Welcome.
Liquor store opened about 10 minutes ago, and I just got my next order. Shop and deliver for alcohol. $14.50 going 6 miles, 2 items. And then just a scribble on that line for me.
You've been here before, right?
Yeah, a couple times.
Right.
Yeah, I remember coming down here. Ooh, got the next order just as I hopped into my car. This is a shop and deliver for Target. $12 going 4 miles, only 1 item. Also, yes, I've most definitely been here a few times. I'm pretty sure I was here yesterday. That is funny. Hopefully you can see that. $0 tip, huh? Almost drove by this one, but shop and deliver for Safeway. $7.50 going 1 mile, 2 items. You know, it'd be really nice if they stopped offering me the same 3 orders over and over and over and over again. And over again. And over again. Same one. It's almost like I don't want to take it for some reason. I don't know. Maybe it's because it's only offering $8 going 20 miles. Huh. I think I'm just gonna call it here, to be honest. Yeah, let's do that. Current time is 11:16. Current total is 84. And I should have just that last Uber tip yet to come in, so like 88. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.